and welcome to another edition of winemastery.co, but this is a gin fun at Wine Mastery. And can I introduce to you Matt Stanley, who's going to give us a couple of, and this one particularly, a gin cocktail. I'll hand over to you, Matt. You tell us what you're going to make.
Hey guys, so I'm starting off with the Divine Num8er, a new drink I invented just this morning. So we're going to start off with 5 blueberries in there, 3 grapes, green preferably, and then 3 dashes of Angostura Bitters. Then we're going to grab some Aromatic Bitters. You can find both of these in Sainsbury's, not a problem at all. And then just to sweeten it up, we're going to go in with some Crème de Peche, which is a beautiful peach liqueur. Obviously from the name, it comes from France. About 12.5 millilitres of that in there. And then we're going back to the Num8er gin from Divine, absolutely gorgeous stuff. Going in with 40 mils of that. We'll go with a little bit of mint just to freshen it up a little bit. 3 leaves or so will do you nicely. And then we're going to give that a nice, long, hard, wet shake. Leave that to rest just while you prep your glass. A little bit of ice. Then grab some Germain Elderflower liqueur, beautiful French liqueur again. About 15 mils of that. Give it a stir, chill it down a little bit. And this will really help to kind of accentuate some of the sweeter notes in the liqueur. Finally, remove everything, and everything can go into the glass on this one. It'll be absolutely fine. Maybe 10 mils of lemon juice just to freshen things up and give a little bit of tartness right on the end. And finally, finish with a beautiful Fever Tree Elderflower tonic. Stir just to combine. And then you want to grab yourself a nice fresh orange with a nice firm skin. Grab yourself a nice slice off of that, just with the rind. You want a little bit of the white pith behind it. Cut it down a shade. And express all the oils over the top of the drink. And serve.
Thank you very much. Where did you come up with the ideas for these?
I've become a sommelier and a cocktail masterclass kind of enthusiast for the last 5 or 6 years. Absolutely love what I do, so I just make drinks and see what happens.
Fantastic. That's the best way to do it, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whatever you like, get in that
just
glass.
Off the top of my head, see what happens, and it always seems to work out all right for me.
Very well, very well. And how's working for the House of Divine going for you?
Absolutely. I've been here the grand total of a day, and it's been fantastic. I met Ray earlier on, and it's been amazing. Been made to feel so at home.
Good.
And yeah, it's amazing. And it's great gin. You can't fault the gin at all. Really strong pepper notes. Some of the licorice at the back really accentuates some of the cocktail. And then especially with the orange in the Num8er gin, you'll find it'll really shine through at the end.
You're very right. And like you said, with the tartness comes through there as well.
Yeah.
But again, still very refreshing. But it's quite very complex. It's got a lot going in there.
Yeah.
The mint comes through lovely.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you'll find that when you shake mint in a drink with ice, you'll certainly find it accentuates kind of halfway through the drink. So you get the mouthfeel of the drink first, and then you'll hit the fresh citrus notes, a little bit of the gin, and then kind of the tartness of the lemon and lime will come through, followed by the mint.
You're very right, yeah. And you get, like you said, with the oiliness from the skin there, that works very well.
Yeah, so especially when you express any citrus fruit over a drink, you'll get masses of that on the nose, which will really help you out when tasting your drink.
Well, thank you very much. That is delicious.
Fantastic.
Well done, Matt. Thank you.
Would you like to try some, right?
Yeah, lovely.
Of course I do. No,
it's good. It's a big step forward having Matt on board. You know,
excellent.
It's the next step for us. You know, we've done the gin and tonic thing. We're now hitting the cocktails, hitting the top end bars, sort of in Matt's Harrogate way, York way. So we're now looking for this, and that, you know, that's a stunning. To say we've just kind of come up with that over the last, you know, couple of hours, just playing around with different flavours. Stunning cocktail, absolutely stunning. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done, Matt. Thank you very much.
Cheers.